Hi guys, let's take a look at the trades for the 14th of April. Being a Monday morning, and we're up actually £709. Here's the account. This don't take into consideration this trade here, the gold one, and this one here. That drops it down to the profit today of 709. Because that gold one was a trade that I left on from Friday and was looking to close it in Monday's trading, and it made another £436 profit. But for the morning move, we're up £709, okay, today. Now, look at the timings here. We've gone on a little bit later than normal. Okay, there was plenty of trading opportunities today. Trading euro dollar, dollar CAD, DAX, euro sterling again, and a little bit on the NASDAQ. Okay, that was really slow this morning. But it was euro versus the Great British Pound that I was trading. This was our morning's move in our live trading room. I was looking for the downside in the euro versus the Great British Pound. It's not a market I normally trade, and the reason is because the volatility on it is really low. We don't tend to get big moves in euro sterling, but we've got big moves in every single market since the tariff news. Okay, so it doesn't matter what you're trading at the moment, you know, things are moving pretty nicely. So good solid starts to the week. Let's dive into the account, or I should say, let's dive into the chart and take a little look at what I was looking at. So first things first, the euro versus the Great British Pound came into the market this morning, and you can see the yellow lines on our storytelling indicator were making lower highs here. So we had what I like to call a three-wave divergence. It's not a long side trade, it's a short side trade. So you get this peak, you get a lower peak, but price is making higher highs. That for me is classic trade reversal in the forex market, not in US stocks. In the forex market, three-wave divergences are reversal trades, bullish or bearish. So we're in here this morning looking for downside trades. Now, of course, once again, I want to drill down to the smaller time frame. Not interested in just shorting it on a 4-hour time frame. I can get a nice tight stop on a 2 and 5 minute chart. You can see red ProTrend system. I'm not interested in greens at all, guys. Remember, what we're looking for as traders, especially short-term traders generating the profits for the morning move, is that we're looking for momentum. We want momentum moves, okay? So we're trying to catch longs and shorts, looking at the bigger time frame, then going down to the smaller time frame for our colors. Okay, so we're using the color method here on the ProTrend system. We're just matching up what we think the higher time frame is going to do. As simple as that. Higher time frame is going to be doing this for this few hours. Then we're down to our smaller time frame, looking at the colors in that direction. So in this case scenario, we're looking for these colors, okay, reds all the way down. This is a 5 minute chart. All right, so reds all the way down. We can do that. I'm sort of like, it's all over and done with by this. Okay, so there to there, that's the profit made in that market. So the other market we were looking for was the dollar CAD. So everything I was trading this morning, really, besides the euro sterling, was pretty much based on the US dollar. And this is the dollar CAD. A nice buy signal right in here. We were looking for long side trades on the dollar CAD today. Just going for greens, nothing else. We're ignoring the reds. If we get another green here, that'll be a new buy signal. So we were just long. I think there is going to be a short-term reversal as of this Monday, maybe going into Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. I think the dollar is going to find a little bit of strength for a few days. So I think it's a tradable signal. And I think euro dollar, and we'll see some likely odd moves in the dollar CAD back up as well. Okay, so just buying on green, dollar CAD, just buying on green, dollar CAD. And euro dollar here, just shorting on red. Okay, so just looking for red shorts in this market. We're in the doldrums now. It's getting quite quiet. We do not want to be trading, well, beyond this time really into this area here. There's the doldrum. There's that window of opportunity right here. That's when we want to be trading the markets, guys. Getting that early morning move, all the way from 7 a.m. really. This window of opportunity here. You can you get enough signals on the charts here with the color method and the ProTrend system to give you some very nice trades indeed. But today I was only waiting for red side trades. We were only waiting for red side trades. All right, so go in, grab some profits on the euro dollar short, because we feel like the bigger time frame is going to have a bit of a correction now for the next few days. All right, so decent morning move today. Went on a little bit longer than I normally trade the markets. I'm normally done for that first couple of hours in the morning, and enjoy the rest of the day. Really, that's the morning move. Check out the channel, YouTube channel, guys. There is a video explaining the morning move using our color method. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. It's another profitable morning session. We go into Tuesday. Let's see what that brings. Take care. Bye-bye now.